Kanji regarding a book or related to book, the stroke or how to write. So first, second, vertical one, and left inclined and right, and last one. So a stroke of that kanji again, the horizontal one, vertical one, and the left, right, and again horizontal one. So this is the stroke. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, and here is 5. The stroke of that kanji, and the sound like that, hon, and sometimes moto. Hon, sometimes moto. So here, if you write, so like that, again, so again, so this is the hon or book. So 3 words here, word, sound, and meaning. So ni hon, by using this kanji. So ni first, ni, and hon. So ni hon, that means Japan. Ni hon, Japan. So a mean picture by image or draw. So a picture book, that means for especially for baby or children. So how to write? First, little, first, and second, third, and fourth. So this part and again this part combinedly. First again. So in total combine the a and hon. A hon, a picture book. A hon, a picture book. But only hon, this is a book. Only hon, this is book. Only hon. So meaning of this hon is book.